Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about traveling. Of course, it is important. It has its own significance, but it can be overrated by some people. After a point, you would realize that you know what these sites that are. Let's take an example. Okay, let's assume you have gone to the Colosseum. Is that how it's pronounced? Colosseum or Colosseum? Colosseum or Colosseum. Yeah, it's a place in Greece. I don't remember exactly what that place was because I forgot to do research on this. So yeah, just Google the Colosseum in Greece. Let's assume you are watching an ancient Greek monument in front of you. It is an amazing experience to watch, to experience Greek culture, to experience Greek cuisine, Greek lifestyle, that kind of stuff. I can understand why people would be energized by that. But just think about one thing for a second. Imagine you are in New York and you went to Greece for getting the travel experience. The Greek people might actually come to New York for getting the travel experience. So, do you see that uh, even though you are sitting in the comfort of New York, you are sitting in a city, or you are living in a city where people aspire to go to, where New York is a tourist destination for. I was about to say terrorist destination. I don't know why I was saying that. Why would I say it? Terrorist destination. Oh God, that was so hilarious. So yeah, sorry for that. New York is a terrorist terrorist. Okay. I'm really sorry for that. I'm really sorry. Yeah, yeah. So New York is a tourist destination. Yeah. Uh, uh, God, I can still get over the joke. Sorry. New York is a tourist destination for some people, but again, um, the people in New York might go to Wyoming for getting, for seeing great lush greenery and just the stuff that you do on vacations. Some people might go to India. The people from London might go to India, and the people from India might go to London. So just think about it. You are going to their country, they are coming to your country for the travel experience. But eventually, I think we all should realize that at the end of the day, people are eating, sleeping, working, having sex, playing video games, uh, chilling with their friends. I think basically that's generally what people do. So there are introverts, there are extroverts in every country. There are some people who are into sports, some people who are definitely not into sports. So it's basically like that. So eventually, if you think that travel is going to, oh God, I will go on a travel experience and I'm just going to radically, my entire paradigm is going to shift. My world is going to change. I am going to be a new person. I will magically instill self-discipline in my life. I'm sorry, that is not always going to happen. Maybe it is going to happen. Maybe you might have a life-changing experience while on your travels. But always remember, to change your life, you also have to do the hard work of changing yourself. You all have to do the hard work of changing yourself. A travel experience might inspire you to have the drive, or to have the direction. Okay, this is the direction I'm going to I'm going to go in my life. It can definitely change your life in various ways that you might not know. But always remember, traveling is not going to be traveling is not magic. It's not going to magically transform your life. It is definitely not always going to happen. It's not always a miracle that will happen. If you have underlying problems in your life, you have to solve it yourself. No one else. Okay, other people can radically help you, or can substantially help you in solving your problems in your life. If you have, I mean, if you are lazy, if you are not focused on your work, if you are just, if you are just not focusing for some reason or the other, or if you are not spending enough time with your family, all these things that you might have issues with. At the end of the day, you are the one who has to solve those problems. Of course, you can get inspiration from other people, from other places, but always remember that that a huge part of changing your own life, a huge part of becoming a better person, is to actually do it yourself. Trust me, you have to do it yourself. Yes, God can, instill some kind of inspiration within you. If you encounter an amazing side, if you encounter a new culture, it can really help, but not always. So just keep that in mind while you are traveling, and always remember why you are traveling. If you want to experience new cultures, fine, go ahead, travel. But trust me, if you are not on a budget, traveling can really bankrupt you. I am not even joking, my friends. So be careful of your budget while you are traveling. Be careful of the amount of spending that you are doing. So and be careful of the places that you are going as well. I mean, some places are really unsafe. So just be careful. And if possible, just go to only those countries where there is a robust law enforcement system, where there is public safety is pretty good. Those kinds of countries are preferable, I would say. More on this in the next video. Until then, please consider liking this video. Please consider sharing this video with the friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.